Welcome back to Paris. We decided to start our morning by indulging our sweet tooth. We made a stop to try a legendary French pastry, the Mont-Blanc. It is famous for its signature swirls of rich chestnut cream piled high on top. We actually almost forgot to order it, but thankfully we caught our waiter in time to grab the classic version. Cutting into it without a proper knife was a bit of a challenge, but totally worth it once we hit that sweet meringue hidden inside. It is incredibly rich, wonderfully chocolatey, and an absolute must-try if you ever visit the city.
After all that sugar, it was time for our next adventure. Our chariot finally arrived with plenty of trunk room to spare, and we hit the road. Driving through Paris is an experience all on its own. We navigated through the bustling city streets, which are absolutely packed with a mix of eager tourists and fast-paced businessmen zooming by on bicycles. It feels like beautiful chaos. You really get a sense of the city's pulse when you're weaving through the heavy traffic with the wind in your hair. We were definitely holding our breath at a few of those crazy intersections, but we made it out alive and had an absolutely awesome time doing it. Once we were back on our own 2 feet, we spent the rest of the afternoon doing what you do best in this city, just wandering. Paris is a place meant to be walked. Every street corner, every cafe, and every piece of architecture just demands your attention. We took our time strolling, soaking up the atmosphere, and letting the city unfold around us. Of course, all that walking eventually helped us work up a serious appetite for a very special evening ahead.
For our final meal of the day, we wanted a truly typical, traditional French experience. We found a gorgeous table and immediately knew what we were ordering when we spotted duck breast on the menu. To make the evening extra special, we ordered a little bubbly to celebrate. Sitting there, sipping champagne and waiting for our food just made me so incredibly happy. When the dishes finally arrived, the presentation was absolutely phenomenal. Everything was plated beautifully, topped with delicate garnishes that looked like art. The food was delicious, the wine was flowing, and it was the perfect end to another incredible day on our Tour de France.
Could we also,
Get some wine.
Some wine. Which wine do you have?
I don't know. Something to go with the duck up by the glass? Yes, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Does that look good?
yes. Not good. Phenomenal.
Try it.
I put mine on a plate because I want it with my gravy.
Thank you so much.
Merci.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Yay!
Sweet. Very sweet. After such an incredible afternoon driving through the city, it was finally time to head to our home away from home here in Paris, the stunning Hotel Bel Ami. Located right in the heart of the beautiful Saint-Germain-des-Prés neighborhood, this place immediately impressed us. From the moment we walked through the doors, we were struck by the incredibly chic and modern design of the lobby. The hospitality here is top-notch. The staff at the front desk were so welcoming and made the check-in process an absolute breeze after a long day of sightseeing.
We made our way up the stylish hallways to room 108, which greeted us with this vibrant red door. Stepping inside, the room was exactly what we were hoping for. Beautifully designed, exceptionally clean, and wonderfully cozy. But what really stood out were the thoughtful little details. The staff had actually left a sweet, personalized welcome note waiting for us on the table, right alongside a plate of fresh, traditional Madeleine cakes. It is those small, personalized touches that really elevate a hotel experience and make you feel truly valued as a guest.
And we have to give a special shout out to the bathroom setup. It was an absolute dream, completely covered floor to ceiling in this gorgeous white and gray marble. After spending hours out in the Parisian heat and navigating the busy city streets, having such a luxurious, spa-like shower to step into was exactly what we needed to wash off the travel fatigue and recharge for our big evening out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.